I love how often people mad at me for always staying busy, not visiting the family, for always being picky and busy with the strategy. I don't have time to chill or that basic ass mentality. I swear I'm about my business, you can catch me on the come up. My body got no limits, so I'm riding till the sun up. I live behind the bars, I might as well just have the gun up and fire a couple shots that I would later have to gum up. But fuck that, I hang on my own. Pop Gary B on TV, now I'm back in my zone. Cop every delivery like down on my phone. It's like therapy and mentally I'm bad to the bone. Cause I've been working, I've been hustling for years now. Working on my penmanship and humbling my peers down. Working on myself while funneling my fears down. While they are bar hopping, puzzling the beers out. I might be wrong, but this is my confession. My head's about to pop if I don't drop this conversation now. I hate fake people that get legal with all the immigrants talking about we ain't equal. We ain't the same people, say the same people that taking aim, they be praying we remain illegal. But being an immigrant sucks. Stereotyping now is crazy, man, the president's nuts. The rest of us bums hated even resident ones. Be scared of dealing with the public's arrogant tongues. Irrelevant punks tweeting malevolent chunks on the internet. They soulless if they hesitate once, but now they cold-hearted if they truly believe that we are different, lower or an ignorant breed. That we are drug dealers, bad illiterate thieves. If that's the case, no games, we on different leagues. But I'm a fuck that, I hang on my own. Pop Gary B on TV, now I'm back in my zone. Cop every delivery like down on my phone. It's like therapy and mentally I'm bad to the bone. Cause I've been working, I've been hustling for years now. Working on my penmanship and humbling my peers down. Working on myself while funneling my fears down. While they are bar hopping, puzzling the beers out. But I'm a immigrant, born of an immigrant, born to be hated, got me torn like a ligament. Voice my opinion, it's wrong to the internet, cause I intellectually murdered a million. And I don't give a fuck about political news. I'll offend everybody with traditional views. The typical crews that use the brains with minimal use. If you need help seeing the truth, I got miracle jewels. And I don't give a fuck about political news. I'll offend everybody with traditional views. The typical crews that use the brains with minimal use. If you need help seeing the truth, I got miracle jewels, and God damn, I intend to use it. The fluids in the bars up in the music. They're rooted in my scars, but I'm freeing them now. My inner demons shout out, I'm letting them out. And now, screw the family that's mad at me and passive. Screw the faculty, my sanity is captive. Screw the strategy, my agony is massive. Screw the fantasy, my happy tree in ashes. Screw the anti-immigrant war, this topic's intimate, so it made the internet fall. We being vigilant, but created militant war. If everyone is bad, what the fuck is innocent for? But now, anyone that stands up faces heat, bro. Probably a thug with bandanas in his CeeLo, or probably a smug kid about to let the heat go, or probably a dude getting murdered like he meek. Bro, fuck that political game. Man, I'm in it for awareness, not that typical fame. A real writer addressing visible pain. Now I found the baddest medium through digital frames. I hang on my own. Pop Gary B on TV, now I'm back in my zone. Cop every delivery like down on my phone. It's like therapy and mentally I'm bad to the bone. Cause I've been working, I've been hustling for years now. Working on my penmanship and humbling my peers down. Working on myself while funneling my fears down. While they are bar hopping, puzzling the beers out.